Hello everyone. Tomorrow is the first day of the year. The first day of the year in Korean, I can say 새해 첫날. Literally the first day of the new year. 새해, new year. So 첫 is the abbreviation of the word 첫 번째, meaning is the first. It can be used like this. 첫 알바, the first part-time job. 첫 작품, the first art project. The word 작품, it could be painting, movie, music album, etc. So you can make a sentence with the word 첫 and space and the noun. This is the rule. But most words that start with the word 첫 are compound words, so it has no space. Examples are 첫날, the first day, 첫인상, the first impression, 첫 무대, the debut stage, 첫 시험, the first test, 첫사랑, the first love, 첫걸음, the first step, 첫눈, the first snow. So try to make a sentence with the word 첫. This video was recorded December 3rd in the early morning. It was the first snow of the year with my puppy. So this 첫눈 for me is the first snow of the year. But for him, to my puppy, it was the first snow of his life. So depending on the context, it could be different 첫. Make sense? So I can say 이 영상은 2022년 첫눈 영상이에요. Meaning is, this video is the first snow video of 2022. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening, guys. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me anytime in the comment section below. And guys, Happy New Year. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Thank you. Bye.